Now, if you want to expand your layout, we've got everything to do it. We have every type of track you can possibly imagine. We have 18-inch curves. We have 15-inch curves. We have 9-inch curves, okay? We even have 12-inch bank curves, okay? 9-inch curves, okay? Single 9-inch curves, 12-inch curves. So if you want to do a 10-lane track, well, by golly, we've got it. You can go 18, 15, 9, or 12, 9, okay? So there you go. Now you've got 8 lanes of track, and then we have what we call the inner curve, which is the, it's called the hairpin loop, which is this baby right here. And you can go from a 9-inch to a hairpin, which is 6-inch. Where's the 6-inch? Where in the world is my 6-inch?
Where is it?
Oh, where's my 6? Oh, right here. Here's the 6-inch. So 6-inch is your most inner, and then your hairpin turn. So technically you can do 10 lanes. We have all the accessories, power supplies, transformers. Then we have all the bulk track, okay? If you want just specifically inner curves, outer curves, straights, half straights, quarter straights, 6-inch straights, 9 straights, lap counters. We've got everything you need for your slot car fun. That's what it is, fun. At ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe down below for the links for all of the fun stuff you can have with slot cars, because we are your one-stop shop for slot cars, especially HO. 132nd, we're getting there. We still have a lot. I have a ton of track at ProTinkerToys.com.